Free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up an iPhone application completely for free. If you found value, consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, drop this video a like. Search in the search bar or engine, scroll down until you see this website called AnyTrans, and then click on it. And then make sure that you download this by either scanning the QR code or click free download desktop version. And once it has been downloaded, locate where you've downloaded the folder or the file and then open. And then in this case, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to click open. Okay, here comes the cool part. Make sure that you plug in your iPhone device or Apple smartphone device. And once it's plugged in and once downloaded, you should see a screen like this on the screen. Click on Device Manager on the top left hand of the screen. And then click on Apps or Applications icon. And you will see a list of all the apps that you would like to download or transfer completely for free. In this case, I'm going to click this application right here because I like to back this up and download. I'm going to click these three arrows on the top right hand screen and click download to app library. You're going to want to sign into your iCloud device and wait for this to download. Another option, if you want to download this to your PC directly, so you have the application file, select the folder and then wait for this to download. And in this case, you have successfully backed up an iPhone app location to your PC. And you will be given it right here. Make sure that we have the application, locate where you have downloaded or backed up your iPhone app, and there it is.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.